Welcome everyone. We are here in Global in the renewable section department. We are driving the journey of the evolution for the renewable power for further and latest technology designed for the modern infrastructure of the country and to meet also the Oman vision of 2040, which is for this Sultan of Oman. He said that 2040 should be new Oman, and by 2030, 30% of Oman should be, 30% of Oman power should be by renewable energy only. In this regard, our renewable resource will be important as a society shifts toward renewable energy to solve many of our environmental issues caused by our historical toxic and practice like coal mining, diesel generation of the power, fracking, and nuclear fusions. These renewable sources also offer financial benefits as it becomes cheaper to produce power and implement them as a solar, which is the main of renewable energy sources. As you know, all of you, the solar is coming only from sun, which is the excellent solution to issue of our diminishing finite sources. Solars also provide us energy security, which is every day. Sun is coming, so solar is infinite. You can depend on the solar. No issue for this. You don't fear that maybe tomorrow there is no sun. No, every day we have the sun. And in this regard, also, don't think that in the solar power we are focusing only on the solar heat. No, we need the solar radiation, which we can use it in the winter season, summer season, everywhere and anywhere. Solar energy will be a valuable option of energy as long as sun exists. Solar energy also represents the highest growth rate during the last 5 years on the world now, since the BV manufacturing also producing now more and more. It's almost now more than 6 terawatt per year, which is more than enough for the full of our world. The importance of the solar as a sustainable resource energy since the industrial revolution in the 19th century, society has become fixed on harvesting of limited resources as a coal, as a fossil fuels. All this one push us to use our sun to as a main source of power. The sun nature ultimate energy sources and can be harnessed using the right technology. Today, the cost of solar implementation and panels are declining and becoming almost like, as all of you know, it's coming like per watt. It's around 26 cents now. So it will be a like more feasible idea around the country and is around the world also, not only the country. The cost of energy resources has been raised too much since the depend only on the fuel and all this one. So all the utility companies is raising the production, the cost of the power. So at this time, it will be the best time to change our resources to go to the sun and renewable energies. If we depend on the renewable energy, we can save up to like 40% of our cost. This in the first 10 years, and after this, after the 10 years, it will be like almost like free. So you can take power in each sunrise, and it will be like full free. So for this one, up to like 25 years, the full lifetime of the system, 25 years, you are getting like 15 years free power. And the first 10 years, it will be like 40%. So this is the best solution in the world. We can use it. And also, this will be like no operational cost, just only small operational cost comparing to the other energy resources. It will be like small only amount, which will be like almost like zero also. And also this using this power of nature, which we are not going to make it as a fuel. We need to make a rigger and here there. No, just only sunrise automatically. So it will be good for all of us. and to reduce also the carbon footprint on our environment and increase the environment friendly which we are going to use it. And here in Sultanate of Oman also, we have many areas we can use it as a solar generation. In Oman, we have many areas, and also we have many. We participated in many tenders and projects. And as Mr. Shawki also say in the morning, now we are going to use also hybrid power, which is will be like solar and diesel also, or solar and gas, any two type of power. So this will lead also another generation on the power, which will be only not only for solar plus some other source, which will be maybe this renewable or not renewable, like fossil fuel or wind turbine or anything like this. Our approach is to change all this power in Oman now to be as a renewable power to meet also the Oman Vision 2040 and to increase the durability of our systems. So, and the benefit of the solar system, it will be eco-friendly, as you know, and solar current give us the security also. No need to have big plant and many diesel going here and there. No, just only focus on the solar, which is almost available everywhere. Thank you, everyone. I'm here for any question.